We installed this basketball court for the Queens Community College. This was an existing asphalt court and it was in very bad shape. We resurfaced the court, fixed all the cracks, and installed Mateflex top court tiles. The perimeter of the court, we used grass green tiles. And royal blue for the basketball court, and navy blue for the keys of the basketball hoops. We striped the court with the white lines. And installed 12 inches of synthetic turf as a fringe around all perimeter over the basketball court. We installed Premier Douglas fixed basketball hoop. These are painted in black. The top court that we installed, the entire perimeter is stretched and screwed with rust-free proof screws all around the perimeter. This is the latest Mateflex tile sports court installation done by Gappsi in Queens, New York.